Hi friends, we have just dropped a new adventure. You don't want to miss this one. From breathtaking views to Koggala Lake, taking you along for the ride. Let's explore the world together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel vibes coming your way.
normal camera සාමාන්‍ය මීටරයයි උපරිමම තියෙන මැක්සිමම් මීටර 5ක් විතර. සාගෝලි ලැබෙන ප්‍රයෝජන සෑම දන්නවත් ඇති. ඇත්තටම වැඩිපුරම ඔක්සිජන් ප්‍රමාණය පරිසරයට උදාහරණයක් කඩලාලසාගේ ගිහින් තමයි ගොඩක් සිසිල් බවක් දැනෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව මේ පතුරට වැටුනම ඒකෙන් මාළුවන්ට ජීවත් වෙන්නේ පරිසරයක් හදනවා. ඔක්සිජන් මට්ටමක් විතර මාළු විතර ඒ සියලුම දේ කඩලාලසාග හරහා මේ පත්‍ර හරහා තමයි සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. Madol sangat anu paham kita dia dia sana hukum dia ini saya ada malu ada no ini यार बहना में ओइस टेस्ट है हां ada बेल मिक्स वाटर वाला है ना वाले ओइस बेल यार मार्केट මොකද tourism කට්ටිය
A tour of Koggala Lake Lagoon is a serene journey through one of southern Sri Lanka's most tranquil landscapes. Gliding by boat across calm, glassy waters, visitors pass lush mangrove forests and visit the lake's charming islands. Each with its own story. Stops often include Cinnamon Island, where traditional spice cultivation is demonstrated, Bird Island for quiet birdwatching, and the secluded Thalathuduwa Monastery. The tour offers not just scenic beauty, but a glimpse into local life, culture, and nature, making it a peaceful and enriching experience. Koggala Lagoon is a tranquil coastal body of water nestled in the Gal district of southern Sri Lanka. Located near the town of Koggala and just 110 kilometers south of Colombo, this picturesque lagoon lies along the island's southern shoreline. It is adorned with 8 small islands, each teeming with ecological richness and natural beauty, making it a haven for biodiversity and a serene escape for nature enthusiasts. Koggala Lagoon spans approximately 7.7 square kilometers, stretching 4.8 kilometers in length and 2 kilometers in width, with depths ranging from 1 to 3.7 meters. Primarily rain-fed, it receives fresh water from several streams, the most significant being Waraboka Ella Koggala Oya in the northwest. The lagoon drains into the Indian Ocean through Balua, a narrow 300-meter canal on its southeastern edge. Mattal Dua, nestled within Koggala Lake, is rich in natural beauty and biodiversity. The island is covered in dense vegetation, including mangroves and tropical trees, which provide a thriving habitat for birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Its surrounding waters support various fish species and aquatic plants, contributing to the lake's ecological balance. The island's untouched landscape reflects the serenity and richness of Sri Lanka's wetland ecosystems. We were filled with quiet joy as we stepped onto Mattal Dua Island, a place that instantly stirred childhood memories of Martin Wickramasinghe's beloved novel. As children, we had read the story with great excitement. The tale of two boys who ran away from home to seek freedom and adventure on this very island. The island, with its air of mystery and solitude, brought those pages to life. The hidden corners, the wild beauty of nature, and the resourcefulness needed to survive away from the mainland. Each rustle of leaves and whisper of wind seemed to echo the youthful spirit of exploration that Wickramasinghe so vividly captured. Being here was like stepping into the heart of a story we had long cherished.
තියෙනවා 8ක්. 8යි ප්‍රධාන චෛත්‍යයයි 9යි. ඒ හින්දා තමයි නවමුනිසෑ රාජමහා විහාරය කියලා නමේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. ගොඩක් පරණ පන්සලක්. ඒකට විශේෂත්ව දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ දෙකෙන් ලංකාවේ පළවෙනි බෞද්ධ පන්සල.
Koggala Lake holds significant environmental value as a vital coastal ecosystem rich in biodiversity. Its mangrove forests, wetlands, and islands provide critical habitats for numerous bird species, fish, and aquatic life. The lake plays a key role in water purification, flood control, and supporting the livelihoods of nearby communities through sustainable fishing and agriculture. Bird Island is a peaceful sanctuary, home to many local and migratory birds, making it ideal for bird watching. Thalathuduwa Monastery Island stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of spiritual devotion, community engagement, and ecological awareness, embodying the serene spirit of Koggala Lake. Thalathuduwa Temple is a secluded monastery nestled on an island in Koggala Lake where monks live in quiet retreat, far removed from society. Their sole purpose is the practice of meditation, and the island's serene, natural setting provides the perfect environment for spiritual discipline and contemplation. The monks maintain minimal contact with the outside world, receiving alms from devoted villagers who offer meals as a gesture of reverence. In our childhood visits, it was rare to see a monk. They would appear briefly to collect offerings, then disappear into the dense forest paths, many of which remain off limits to visitors to protect the sanctity of their meditation grounds. Although a bridge now makes the island more accessible, the spirit of the place remains unchanged. It is the quiet duty of every visitor to respect the silence, tread lightly, and avoid disturbing the monks in their sacred retreat.
වර්ග දෙකක්. බ්‍රාහ්මණික අයිතිස් කියන වර්ගයට අයිති කෙනා දුඹුරුයි දෙල්ලසුළුයි. එයා සීගල් කල්ලි දෙල්ලසුළුයි. එයාගේ වර්ධනය ටිකක් වැඩි අනිත් එක්කෙනාට වැඩි. මෙයාගේ.
Cinnamon Island on Koggala Lake is a small, peaceful island known for its traditional cinnamon cultivation. Here, visitors can watch the age-old process of harvesting and peeling cinnamon bark by hand, a delicate craft passed down through generations. The scent of fresh cinnamon fills the air as skilled villagers demonstrate how the inner bark is carefully separated, rolled, and dried. As your boat gently approaches Cinnamon Island on Koggala Lake, a friendly villager greets you with a warm smile and heartfelt welcome. With quiet pride, he introduces the age-old art of cinnamon cultivation, a craft his family has preserved for generations. He invites you into their simple, traditional home, where the open veranda overlooks the cinnamon garden. Seated comfortably, he begins to demonstrate the cinnamon peeling process. With skilled hands, he first scrapes away the rough outer bark, then gently loosens the fragrant inner layer using a brass rod. Carefully, he peels the delicate curls of cinnamon, laying them to dry on a wooden rack suspended under the roof, open to the warm breeze.
machine Sri Lanka ko atin tamai kara මේකට තමයි මැෂින් හදන්න බැරි. මේ පොත බුරුල් වෙන්න මේ පිත්තල පොල්ලෙන් මදි. පිත්තල.
පිත්තලම ගන්නේ
යකඩ මේ යකඩ හරියන්නේ යකඩ නැදෙන්නේ නැහැ කැඩෙනවා. Make a birthday. Make a birthday to
මේ වෙලිච්ච මේ කුරුදු මේවා.
After the demonstration, he offers you a comforting cup of freshly brewed cinnamon tea rich in aroma and flavor. He also shows how the dried bark is ground into fine powder and proudly presents a variety of handmade cinnamon products. Here, you can purchase some of the finest cinnamon directly from its source. Cinnamon oil is extracted from the bark and leaves of the cinnamon tree. The bark is peeled, dried, and distilled using steam. The result? A potent aromatic oil with numerous uses. Benefits of cinnamon oil: anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Great for skincare and fighting infections. Aromatherapy. Helps reduce stress and anxiety. Natural insect repellent. Boosts circulation and relieves muscle pain. Cinnamon itself is also rich in antioxidants and supports heart health, blood sugar regulation, and digestion. Supporting these local products not only ensures quality but also helps sustain the islanders' way of life. The families of Cinnamon Island have lived here peacefully and self-sufficiently for generations, surrounded by the serene beauty of the lake and the harmony of nature. In addition to cinnamon, the island offers a relaxing fish therapy experience where visitors dip their feet into natural tanks while tiny fish gently nibble away dead skin. It's a soothing, unique way to connect with nature while enjoying the island's calm and scenic surroundings. And that's a wrap on our serene journey through Koggala Lagoon. From lush mangroves to peaceful waters, I hope this tour brought a little slice of Sri Lanka's beauty into your day. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite moment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps support the channel and keeps the travels going. Thanks for being part of this journey. See you in the next one.